Libog is a word that is used to describe when you're hungry.
Matagal pa ba yan?
Libog ka na ba?
Oo.
Libog means confused. Oh, hello. Okay. So, binuangan nato ni sila kaya di ba sila kasabot? I will ask for random Bisaya words and then they will try to define it and use it in a scene. Tagay ko Bisaya nga word. Bakakon.
Bakakon. Adjective. It describes the weather that is partly stormy and sunny.
Wala akong dalang payong. Oh my God, it's so bakakon.
What does it mean?
Bakakon means sinungaling.
Sinungaling. Adjective naman.
From this
Adjective.
side. Libog.
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 Libog. Libog is a word that is used to describe when you're hungry.
Matagal pa ba yan?
Libog ka na ba?
Oo.
Libog means confused. Langgam.
Langgam. Langgam. Verb. It is an action to cure a wound.
Agoy!
Oh, ang laki ng langgam. Langgam means oh, same.
Bird!
Ay, bird pala, bird.
Bird!
Ayun, sa likod. Uwag. Uwagan.
Uwagan. Noun. A two-wheeled vehicle that you push.
Marami pa ba yan?
Eto, kaunti na lang to at kailangan nating dalhin sa tindahan ni Aling Nena.
Bibigat na tong uwagan eh.
Uwagan means malandi.
Malandi.
Libang.
Hibang.
Libang. Noun. Libang is another term for your second cousin.
I knew it. We're related.
Sabi ni Mami, libang kita eh. Libang means poop. One last word. Maoy.
Maoy.
Maoy is a term of endearment that you use to describe your significant other.
Ma,
Oh, nandiyan ka pala.
gusto ko sanang ipakita sa'yo ang matagal ko ng maoy.
Yay! Maoy means
Hindi ba bad drunk? Bad drunk?
Heartbroken.
Heartbroken.
Sorry kasi Ilonggo ako.
All right, and that was language. Let's give him a round of applause.